Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit the aesthetics of your pieces in chess.com. So let's get right into it. Now, once you launch chess.com and once you're on the website or within the app, you need to go to your settings and locate the settings for the pieces. You can go to the settings by hovering over the gear icon in the bottom left and then clicking all settings. And as you can see to the left, you have your profile, which we will ignore, and then you have your board and pieces. You can click here, and as you can see, you can set up everything on the board. You can set up the pieces, which you can select which ones you want. You can select Neo, Game Room, Wood, Glass, Gothic. You can select whichever one you want, and as you can see, the board won't change. You can also change the board individually as well by clicking on whatever you want, and then that's pretty much it. I'll just keep it at 8-bit, or actually rather lols looks good to me, and then I'll set my pieces to not 3D, that looks a bit dumb. This, okay, 8-bit looks kind of okay, or rather marble looks even better. And as you can see, that is how you change your pieces. You can also change both at the same time by going into themes and selecting one of the themes from here. As you can see, you'll see the themes at the right and the name at the left, and you can select pretty much whichever one you want, and that is literally all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.